Since you don't have,
The small buildings?
yeah, but
Yes.
you don't have stuff on the brick, you don't have all that crap on it. How much faster are you moving on those? Because that's the kind of building I live in. I work from home all the time. I don't have anywhere else to go.
What building are you in?
I'm on building 3. It's going to be one of the last ones you do.
Yeah, 'cause you are the equal nesting
I am.
proximity, so I don't, yeah, it's gonna be the last one, but it goes fast. It really does, because I only have one balcony. In fact, we did building 12, the 13 was exactly like the building. We did both balconies in less than a week. The meeting, now remember, I'm talking about the nasty obtrusive scaffold and the chipping hammer and all that stuff. That is a pain. It is really horrible. There's no way around it, you know, but you're gonna get a good product when it's done. You're gonna get rid of this nasty wood, and hopefully it'll be like having a baby. You know, the pain will be gone. I've never had that. As they say.
In the front of the small building, we not block the garage. We use wheels.
Yeah,
So
that's another thing. I don't want to bore you with details on that, but your building, every garage on the front, we have some work to do on that, but it's not a full scaffolding deal. We got what's called elevated wall bases. So the header over the garages in the front, we do need to chip on that. We need to take 6 inches off, and then we need to reconstruct a drip edge with a weep screed, and then put the paper over it, put it back. But we'll do it off a rolling Baker scaffolding, and it's no problem. It won't, it won't limit your use of the garage. Well, I might have to coordinate if you come home in the middle of the day over there. We'll have to get down and do more stuff and let you.
Oh, I'm going to bother you as much as
Okay.
I can. Kidding. After you put the doors back in, is anyone having a problem with opening them and closing?
So far, no. So far, no.
Because
But
I had to get mine fixed after I moved in here because
You know-
everyone was like trying to open.
Been a couple that have taken out that had issues to begin with.
yeah, we're kind of doing our best. I mean, I don't want to get ticky-tacky, but some of them are problematic before we touch them.
Well, mine's not, and it can't be when you put it back in.
We had our rollers,
Hey, if it is, call paper. No, if it
we
is.
had our rollers
You-
replaced.
Okay, you call me.
We had our rollers replaced recently and they just are not getting any issues.
Yeah, it's Jordan's right, monsters. So they're coming out and they're going in, and so far, we're happy with how that's working. Ryan came up with these monster suction cups, and he's picking them up, rolling them around a little bit, putting them back in there, but they're moving pretty quickly, so yeah. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Scott, do you have any trailer space available for these people to work in?
Trailer. I actually do have my office up front.
No, you might want to think about it, because you have all the equipment that they need to work.
Yeah, you know what, it's funny,
Otherwise, you can get a room, a loft for them. That would be a plan B,
well,
right?
yeah, I have an accountant for that, when I was asked to be the low bidder and the fastest bidder, as they say. The truth is that there's a painful period. We're coming to your building soon. There's
6, 4?
yeah,
4's the last one.
it is.
You won't have any money left.
Everybody said stay away from that building, so, we're gonna get there hopefully soon, in fact, and when we do, it'll be fun, but, the answer to your question is, our hope is that everybody can grit their teeth, and, a lot of people are gone, and I want you to know this, and I say this, for Ronilla's sake. We have some work going on Saturdays. We're authorized to work on Saturday, but we've elected to try to stay off the Saturday schedule, and I'd like to talk about that again. If I'm serving my interest only, I need every single day I can get. This job isn't there. It's funny. Now I'm on my high horse here, but we did the whole east wall of Building 9, and it took almost a year and 3 months. And then we did Building 15, and it took almost a year. One balcony, I have somewhere like between 7 and 10 months to do the entire, and I gotta be honest with you, I don't know what the heck my office was thinking. But the good news is I'm confident because of how we're doing this. The only way to do it is to eat the elephant with a lot of teams at one time. So, to your point though, I certainly, I don't have a remedy for that time phase. What I'm experiencing is about 85% of the people, while we're doing that, are not home. They leave during the day, and that's why if we do it on Saturdays, most of the people, bless their hearts, come and they take it off for the Saturday and Sunday, and it's obnoxious. I frankly think we should try not to work on Saturday, to be honest with try to keep pace, we've got a competing, competing interest there, conflict of interest, I should say. So, anybody else? Go ahead.
Is, I guess it's the east side or south side wall on the building 9,
Yes, sir. This one out here.
or that
The one they redid?
Yeah.
Yes.
That one's all done then?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Winner, chicken dinner. I'll introduce and say hello when I wave by her. Yeah, bless your heart. Every time I turn around, we got sales reps and we have material reps and we have subcontract resources. And every time I turn around, we're taking them to the face of your building and we're looking over the things. And I thought one day, man, you guys must think it's kind of freaky that everybody just keeps walking up to your balconies. But yeah, you're good. There's nothing going on. Zero.
Okay.
Ever. It's done. You've already suffered that.
Just to, you may have answered it, but I didn't hear it. Building 14, we can take the blackouts thing over our witness off right now.
I'll tell you what,
We can move it, we
don't
can
do
start,
it,
yeah.
We'll do it.
We do it.
So, senor,
We can start moving the paper from the building
yeah,
14.
the paper is predominantly there not to obstruct your view, so that is a problem. So I really prefer nobody get on the balcony until we got concrete
On
back
the
there.
bottom floor.
So we don't have it on yours.
Yeah,
It's all blacked out, all, everybody.
We have it on your bottom floor.
yeah, because some rocks coming and hit the glasses and I want to protect the glasses.
Okay, so in some cases on the floor above, we're taking the whole concrete deck off and sometimes the lid, so yeah, some of this stuff falls. What we're experiencing, and I don't think we broke one window on 9 and we did one on what, 15?
The
How'd the
14, in the
How'd the
14.
one on 14 break?
It's just
Oh, yeah.
one of the guys hit it with the stone.
Yeah, so the stone, yeah, so the paper's not that stout, but it is helping with all the incidental chipping, scratching, things of that nature. So the paper's only here for one purpose, is during that godforsaken demolition phase. And that's the phase that once you're done with that, and all the stuff's off, then it won't happen anymore. So we can take it off, and we should take it off so they can at least see how.
Sure.
I have different invites.
Yeah, we started the process with plywood, but if your plywood would only be down here. And that was merely an aim, our aim there was to preclude people, babies, kids, from opening the door and going down on the balcony. We don't want anybody out there, so, no, I know you won't, but I don't know. Yeah. So, but we have then since gone to an upper and a lower rail, 2x4 rail. So obviously you get the point, we don't want anybody.
The plywood's not even up on my
Is it
door.
leaning?
It's like leaning up against the closet.
Yeah, we can go kind of clean these things up because over time, depending on if they're doing the carpentry, so what, I haven't guessed, what building?
14.
Okay, 15.
Oh, 15.
So we're doing carpentry, okay, and someone probably put that wood up, and in order for me to pull the deck up, guess what, they put the wood up for protection, but now I'm pulling the deck up, I gotta pull that out, and then they're leaving it back, they're being lazy, and we should clean that up for you. So, right now, I prefer, for those of us that are involved, that we keep the railing system, 2x4 and the paper. And then as soon as we're out of the godforsaken demolition phase, we rip the paper off so that at least our residents can see sunlight and see it outside, see that.
See, our
Be that-
neighbors fall down, like, we
Yeah.
have no paper on our door now.
You have,
We
what?
have no paper on our door
You
now.
want me to put it back?
I don't know, you're still diddling,
I
yeah,
don't think
I
so.
mean,
No, we're gonna take it off. We're putting it up temporarily, so that we
but you
can.
guys haven't taken it down, though, the thing is, it's falling down.
What I'm saying is I put it up very temporarily with like masking tape, and yes, give it about 20 days and it'll just
Yeah.
fall down, it gets wet. It's simply to protect the glass from chipping during that nasty phase. And then what we can do for your, so that you have a better experience, and it can be better, is at least take it down so you can see out the window and see what all these people are doing. But it's still a nasty sight because you look at scaffolding, we have tools on scaffolding, we got chips. I mean, some of you don't want to look at it. Even after we're done with that phase, theoretically, I can take that paper down, but in my opinion, I don't know that it's still going to be nasty for another 30 to 45 days.
Yeah, it's pretty much I do for the day.
I almost prefer it to keep it until we're done with the gas. It's not just the demo, you got then the carpentry, then you got the waterproofing. None of it's like, it's very unsightly. I still got the nasty stuff lanes. If I have desolate run, I don't know any part of that, even though, but that's why we have it up there. Anybody else? Yeah, you're in the bad spot. Which building? You're in the back.
Yeah, it's clear.
We should be working through the carpet. The wood, the demo's done, so there should be through that nasty phase. The carpeting will take not long, it takes a week and a half, 2 weeks. And then we gotta get the stucco going, so, you know, and let's hope that we can kind of show significant progress by the end of the morning. To me, the number one day that I'm gonna, for a lot of reasons, that I'm gonna be thankful when that scaffolding is going away. Scaffolding is a monster. And, but I still need access to the balconies, that's the problem. The scaffolding goes away, I still gotta keep the rails back, I've gotta get up there and meet the decks. So there's some, you know, so I'm torn with access issues, you know, but if you guys want to come to my office and pay the scaffolding bill, you'll see why we need to get that scaffolding. I have a motivation to get rid of that as much as you want to see it going, so let's shoot for the end of March, because that seems to be the process of the timeline.
So let's review.
Yes, sir.
The pool is going to